So I thought it was important to show you this because when you buy cases, you get different types of brands. They have that different qualities. This is a wallet type. So I do like these because they offer a few extras. I'll show you what. This is for my P30 Pro. Now you can see here that it's like a leathery type material. And we've got a little bit of a foam insert in there. I like that's a case there, you can see. And it kind of adjusts so you can actually use it as such with your phone in there as well. So now what have we got? You can see that hopefully. It's a bit of a hinged material here. It's got nice gold stitching. There's a few different color options and variants available. You can put some money in here depending on your currency. An ID card right here. Nice. A few more cards. You don't want too many because when you close the case, you don't want it to be too bulky. So you can see the back of it here, and you've got your inserts for your camera and your lights, your flash. So overall, I like the feel of this material. It's very nice and luxurious. There's a few color options available in these, but this one is particularly nice, especially with the button section here. So I'm just having an inspection of the case itself so you can see exactly how it looks and how it feels. Let me bring you a little bit out and show you just that there. So here you can see that's the setup right about there. Now obviously this has got a bit of a pattern on there which is very interesting, so you can see it from the front aspect there, and it's a slight tan type effect, and it's got a little logo on the bottom there embossed in. And I do like that little insertion there as well, so if you've got your mic you can close it and actually speak because you can hear through that mic section there. These will vary with each of these, but that's a nice little review of a phone case that I think you would appreciate.